Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're celebrating 15,000 followers, but before we get into all that, we got crazy snow out here. So I'm like right on the border of Virginia, and we've got like 13 inches of snow out here. But I mean, you guys can see like my Tahoe and my truck. I just got most of the snow off my truck and took it for a little drive around the neighborhood. But yeah, at least you can kind of see the roads now. But most people are stuck in my neighborhood because they drive like little Priuses or Teslas and little two-wheel drive SUVs. But the 4x4 Chevy 2500, that will get out there fine. So I gotta go to work. I work like 45 minutes away out in Portsmouth, Virginia. So I just gotta make it to the highways and then I'll be good. But I live out in like middle of nowhere, North Carolina, like unincorporated area, so they don't plow or salt the roads. So I just gotta make it to like the Virginia highway and then I'll be good because they salt all those roads. But we are enjoying a nice snow day. I love it. It never snows here really, especially like this. So it's super cool. So much snow I've never seen. I think this is like a world record here. This is crazy. Look at this. Like, God, that's wild. But yeah, so celebrating 15,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I feel like we just did the 10,000 subscriber celebration, which I think was like last week. So we grew like 5,000 subscribers in a week. So that's awesome. I didn't think we were gonna hit 15,000 for like honestly a couple months, but it's been moving pretty good. I also just dropped a video that's like an hour-long recap of 2024, and actually a lot of people have been watching it, which more than I thought. So we're getting a lot of watch hours on that. That's really good because I need to get the watch hours on the channel and stuff. Man, the snow is really coming down right now. We're out in a blizzard. But yeah, thank you guys for everybody that's subscribing. My goal, like I said, was 15,000 subscribers. We just blew right to that in a week. So we're gonna set a new goal. We're gonna say 25,000 subscribers. And yeah, the only bad news is Saturday. We were supposed to have a truck show out in Virginia for Frostbite. I was gonna go set up as a vendor for that. I was gonna go grab my trailer tomorrow, hook it up, set it right here in the driveway, get ready to go 2 hours north into Virginia and go sling some t-shirts, but that's not gonna happen. Obviously my trailer's not getting down this street, and from the last I heard, they haven't confirmed it yet, but they said probably postponed for the event. They're gonna reschedule it. They'll give a final answer on Friday. But weather like this, nobody's coming out to a car show, and I don't want to go sit in my trailer selling t-shirts in this kind of weather. So that kind of sucks because that was going to be like your guys' truck show and car show content for the month of February and for most of March, because there's really no other shows near me that are going on or that I'm going to. The next show that we're going to be going to is Terminal Takeover at the end of March in South Carolina, so that'll be really good. We'll get some really good content from that show, showcase a lot of builds and stuff from it, plus do a vendor video from it and everything. And then I'm gonna try and hit up probably like a Caffeine and Octane, Grounds and Gears, Cars and Coffee, some type of sort of something here in the Norfolk, Portsmouth, Virginia Beach area, just so I can get you guys at least like a video or some content on the channel, so you guys just aren't sitting here watching me talk for another month, because that will get boring and I want to put some content out for you guys. So we're gonna have to shift and adjust a little bit to the type of content we're putting on the channel. I know it's typically always trucks, but cars are pretty cool too. Maybe we'll see some classic cars out there. We probably will see a bunch of like JDM and stance cars, which that's not my flavor, but I do respect the builds. They are cool cars that people put a lot of time and money into them. It's just a different style than I prefer, but maybe we'll show them some love on the channel too and put something different. I like to just kind of throw it all out there on the channel, and if people like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. We'll kind of see. We're kind of finding our way with this channel, finding our niche, so to speak. So I'm not really sure exactly like what route we want to go on this channel. If it's going to be only trucks, or do I want to put some cars on here. Eventually I would like to put supercars on this channel, and I would like to have a supercar sitting right here in this garage and put out supercar and truck content. I think that'd be cool. So we're going to keep the options open. But yeah, I appreciate it. 15,000 subscribers, man, you guys are awesome. And on that note, I spent like 5 hours yesterday going ahead and putting up stuff in the YouTube shop. So I have about 1,000 products off of my website that I have to migrate over to Shopify site, so that way I can link it to YouTube. So probably every day you guys will see about 10 new products going up on the YouTube shop. So just check it every couple days. You guys will probably find something really cool that you guys like in there. And yeah, anything that you guys buy directly supports my channel. It's much appreciated. The more support I can get on this channel, the more content we can put out for you guys, the cooler stuff we can go do, the more traveling we can go do to show you guys cooler stuff. So on that note, I'm gonna go enjoy the snow. I gotta get ready to actually go to work here in a few hours, but I appreciate you guys checking in, and thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. You guys rock.